Hi, and welcome to the next lesson in SOLIDWORKS Essentials. In this lesson, we're going to look at Section 12, Exercise 56, using Hide and Show component. So let's get into it. So Exercise 56 on page 455. Here has to open up this part, the housing part, and create a new assembly from that part. So I've opened it up and I'll just pop up here and make an assembly from part. So it's a metric assembly. So in the SOLIDWORKS templates tab, click on assembly mm and you've got that. Now you'll notice I can't see the part, so on this one you just have to turn on the graphics preview. I've noticed it's actually turned off in this particular template. So, and again, you can kind of just pick on that or click on the check mark and insert that housing in there, and it's fixed at that location. Now we're going to drag and drop a few parts in as well, so I'll actually do it with the folders. So get the parts from in here. So I need the cover plate, and so that cover plate and this one here, and I need a couple of those, and I might as well bring the rest in while I'm doing it, and the worm gear as well. So that's my components, and we'll do it in the order that the book says. It probably isn't the most efficient way to model it, but the idea of this is to show you how to use the hide and show component command. So let's do it the way it is actually in the exercise. So we're asked to put this one on top first. So you can kind of mate it with the normal mates, but you've got the holes there, so we might as well kind of make use of those. And if I just select the edge of that circle, and I just gotta zoom in there and get that, and make that coincident. And I'll just, for handiness, just throw that off a little bit and do the same again on this one. Saves you doing 3 mates, so you just get 2 mates. And trimetric. I'll just kind of create a copy of this first. Okay, so I'll just select the mate and I'll select the back edge and that edge there. And again, you see you can do that, and I'll just again pick that. Oops. Not sure I got the right edge, so I'll just do it again just to be sure. I think I did, but just in case. And make that coincident there. And same on the back then. Just zoom in so I'm getting the right edge. So there, and if I just flip it around, and then same again, just pick that and line that up like that. Okay. Now, and again, this was kind of done before putting this bit in, so you could actually see the hiding the component in that in this. So we're asked to hide the top cover plate so we can actually see this when we're putting it in. Just select that, okay, and the top cover plate, and we can just hide components. And then I get to see in here, so I can easily fix this one in. So again, just put a little mate in that center there, and we'll make it just line it up with that. Make them concentric. So you can see it's concentric at that. And what I'll do as well, just to, I don't think it asks it in the notes, but I'm going to just make this sort of fixed to the top as well. So I'll do that by selecting the plane. So it's that right hand plane that's running down that little keyway on that. And I can make it, I'll just make it parallel maybe with that side. Just so that's kind of locked in that sort of up position, if you like. And then just doing the advanced mate then. Select the wood mate, and I can select that face and that face. And then select that face and that face. And that's our part in there. And then just pop it in this shaft. So concentric, and then that face and that, and it's that, and then this one again, make it concentric, and then the little sort of clip groove there is flush with that face. So we make that. And that's us done.